After just a one-night stay in Wyoming at a harbor's host, we continued our journey east.
Well, howdy. We thought we'd stretch our legs a little bit. We're at a state border crossing going from Wyoming to Colorado. Woo!
Got 2 more hours to go on our 4-hour driving day.
Yep, gorgeous weather for the fall. Starting to see some nice foliage colors.
Stayed at cherrycreekstatepark, very reasonably priced and convenient. It was in Aurora, just about 5 miles south of downtown Denver. We spent the one day that we had in Denver doing a driving tour, going downtown to visit some sports stadiums and the state capitol building. We visited 2 craft breweries. This one was in the Rinoarts district and had an amazing barbecue restaurant next door.
Just doing our checks and hooking up. We're going to be on our way to Kansas today.
There you go, leaving Colorado.
Though we said so long, Colorado, we'll definitely return and stay longer another time.
Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up and be sure to keep an eye out for our next video when we make it to Kansas.